Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solve networking case studies step by step. First, thoroughly analyze the case to grasp the client's core business needs and existing network issues. Next, identify all relevant stakeholders and their individual requirements. Finally, clearly define the project's scope to ensure a focused and effective solution. This foundational work is crucial for success. Once the scope is clear, evaluate the existing network infrastructure, noting its performance and limitations. Then, develop several potential solution architectures, outlining the advantages and disadvantages of each. Carefully select the most suitable design, considering factors like budget, future scalability, and robust security measures. This analytical phase ensures a well-informed decision. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're at work or on the go. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. With a chosen design, create a detailed implementation plan, including timelines, required resources, and potential risks. Don't forget to outline comprehensive testing procedures and a clear rollback strategy for contingencies. Finally, prepare a compelling presentation that effectively communicates your solution's value and addresses all stakeholder concerns. A strong presentation is key.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.